We're getting the kids in the kitchen this summer with Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. And today we're talking about one of my favorite breakfast items. We are talking about whole wheat and soy pancakes. Yum, with blueberries.
Such an easy recipe to make with pancakes. And you can have them not only for breakfast, but hey, how about dinner too?
Why
We
not?
do that
Easy.
at our house. This is actually the recipe. Ezra was with me last month, he and his mother Krista, and this is the recipe he and his mother did at National Festival of Breads. And what we did was we made a container, and this is our mix, which makes it really easy for families. Have this all made up ahead of time, and then all you have to do is add the liquid ingredients. It makes it so easy to do.
Look at that, it pops right on.
All easy to do. So in here we have 2 cups of soy milk. You're going to add 1 egg to this. I'll let you add that.
Okay.
And you're going to add 2 tablespoons. No, add it in
to
here.
this.
Yeah, sorry, that's okay.
That's why we need supervision, Charlene.
And 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then this is 2 cups of our mix.
Okay.
And that came out of here, and I just mixed it ahead of time. So I'll let you put that in there, and then we'll put that there. How about that?
There.
No, just dump it in there. There's no need for, we don't have time for finesse around here.
So then using a whisk makes it easy to mix it.
Yum.
And Ezra loved to make these. I don't know how many times he practiced this summer. He loved to have blueberry, or you could have plain. But then I have over there one of the favorite things that he liked, and that is some mini chocolate
Yum.
chips. So we're going to put that on here.
Okay.
Oh, hear that
Nice.
sizzle?
That sounds.
There, and you can just sprinkle some of those on there, Denisha. And using the 1/4 cup measure makes it, we'd have about 8 pancakes that we'd make with this. So we would do all those there, let them, would you hear that sizzle? It's good to have your either skillet or your griddle nice and hot before you start, and that will make it cook. And then when it has lots of bubbles, it doesn't have enough right now. Denisha, you want to add one?
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
There you
All
go.
right, how am I gonna
Easy.
do this? Oh, see,
Yeah.
there we go. All right, there we go.
There you go. There's our next one.
Okay.
So, easy way to have this, and for those kiddos that did not write to us or call us yet, we're offering recipes. We have crayons we'll send them. We'll send them beans to plant this summer, coloring sheet, activity sheet, and all the recipes. All they have to do is call our number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll get them already learning about Kansas agriculture and soybeans.
Yum, and get some tasty pancakes as well.
Online too.
Online too, at kansassoybeans.org.
All right, thanks, Charlene. We'll be right back.